What's going on, everybody? This is Val with RedRiverRange here in Shreveport, Louisiana, and today I wanted to go over with you the Sig Tango 6 LPVO, or low-powered variable optic. This one is going to be the military model that will be currently released for service use. It is a 1:6 objective lens, and that one is probably one of the crispest one-powered reticles I have seen. It is a 30mm tube on a 30mm objective lens. That being said, a lot of your LPVOs nowadays are coming with a 24mm objective lens, so this one does give you probably one of the crispest and clearest eye reliefs that I have had the availability on running with an LPVO. Of course, if you wanted to come in and try one out, we do have them here at the range. Again, this is Val with RedRiverRange, and we hope to see you here.